This video is on replacing the Blend Actuator on an 09 Ram 1500. There's other videos that are very similar to this, except that the dash is different and that they have the Laramie. Getting to the actuator is a little more difficult than just getting to the radio, so I figured I'd shoot this. As you can see on this actuator, this is one I've already replaced. Some of the teeth have broken off, creates a knocking noise when you turn the car on, the truck on. I will post a link to some of those so you can hear what the knocking noise sounds like. I meant to record it before the video, but forgot. Anyway, there's plenty of videos on how to remove this center part of the dash, but I'll just kind of show you real quick. I've already taken most of the screws out. There's 2 torque screws that go in here, T20s, pretty easy to take out. Once you have those out, you basically have to pull on the dash like this. It feels like you might break it, but it comes out. Once you have that done, you need to get these wires out from under here, or from back here. These adapters are pretty easy. This one's the hardest one here. Once you have that, what you really need to do is get to behind here. The actuator is back inside there. What I found I had to do was remove these screws here, but I had to take this piece out along here first. There's some screws that go in here and here. Take those out. Put the wrong screws back in. Just to hold it in place for this video. Once you take those out, so once you get the lighter adapters out, then you can basically remove these screws up here. Remove those screws down there. This whole piece pops out pretty easily. The actuator that I replaced was this one here. You just undo these 2 screws, unhook that, it goes right back in place. To make sure that you replace the right one, you can open them up carefully with these tabs. Anyway, once you're done with that, plug it all back in. I hooked back up the center and turned the car on, the truck on, just to see if the noise went away, make sure everything worked, and it seemed to. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.